so it's pretty bad. I left too late. Gosh, should have left earlier. Still didn't work. My fault. It sucks. Rear tires is so bad right now. I have no tires left. It's my fault. So hopefully I can make it home. Please go, please. This is me driving on. This is Davis Drive. Hoping that I can make it home. Should have left. It's 30 minutes now. Pink boy. Sucks. At least it's not ice. I'm slipping slowly, nice and steady. Are we braking? Come on. Let's. God, jeez, really? One car. You're gonna brake right now. $105 right now. There's barely any. Well, there are cars. Everybody's leaving. Try to all leave. Trust me, it is slippery. I mean, it's really slippery. Yeah, just have to be careful. I'm almost home. I'm almost home. Make it. Just want to get there. I don't want to get stuck. I really don't want to get stuck. Come on, baby. Because if you stop and try to go uphill, good luck. There's no way. Especially right here. Near my neighborhood. Almost there.